So we are out again with the Tata Harrier.EV and it is an off-road experience. Similar to what you have seen on our short format content pieces, but this time it is just on a smaller scale, but still nevertheless a video for you to understand the capabilities of this Tata Harrier.EV, which is India's first dual motor quad wheel drive electric SUV made in India. That is why it is so special. That is why this video is special for you. So the first obstacle is sand pit, and for that we are going to switch the terrain mode to mud and ruts and now to sand. So you have a sand mode and now let's start driving. You have the transparent chassis feature activated thanks to this 540-degree camera support, and let's go. Gentle tap on the throttle. And this Tata Harrier.EV, as you can notice, it is over the sand, no wheel spin. Even if I slow down too much and then get on the gas again, no wheel spin, and it just gets going effortlessly. So it just highlights how good traction is available for you on all four wheels so that you can drive safely if at all you are stuck in a tricky situation. So the next obstacle is articulation. So we will check how good is the chassis balance and overall how well does the suspension work to help you get good articulation to move over such an obstacle. So check this out. Gentle taps on the throttle, straightening up the vehicle. The marshals are helping us understand how to drive, in what direction, and the Harrier.EV, this dual motor drive quad wheel drive electric SUV, as you can notice, it is moving over this obstacle with absolute ease. Now it might slip a bit, but then it realizes which wheel needs more traction, which wheel is in the air. So that way, because of this dual motor setup, the vehicle is going to get you out if at all maybe one wheel is down in a big pothole and then you want to get it out of that. So it is a helpful feature, this dual motor setup, especially in a city like Bombay, because the roads are non-existent. So the next obstacle is wheels on ice, slightly rough patch. So we are driving on snow and grass mode. Let's get going. Not doing much, just tapping the throttle, and this Harrier.EV is gently driving on ice. No slip of the wheel that I can feel or hear. So say for example you are driving this vehicle through Khardungla Pass where you have a lot of black ice out on the road. Because of this dual motor setup, this all-wheel drive quad wheel drive setup, this Harrier.EV will give you good traction so that you can climb up that steep uphill mountain. So the next obstacle is a mud pit. As you can notice, there is a lot of slush as well in front of the vehicle. So we are going to go into mud and ruts mode, continuing it in drive mode, not tapping the regen levels because we don't care right now. We are off-roading with this Tata Harrier.EV and driving through slush. It slides, you can feel it, but it's getting enough traction. You can feel that too. And then straightening up the vehicle to the direction where we want to drive it. And it was a piece of cake, a piece of chocolate cake, it looks like from the outside.
We do go down from the staircase now.
Okay, we are now on the staircase.
Yeah, we'll be going down from this.
Okay. And now you can notice we are coming down a flight of stairs. Not something that you're going to do, but something that this vehicle is capable of. So now we are going to check out the side incline capability, continuing in mud and ruts mode. So check this out.
Right.
We are
Both hands on wheel, please.
trying to keep the vehicle as high up on this side incline as possible, and
To the left.
just have a look at how much of an incline we have achieved
To the right.
with this Tata Harrier.EV. Very stable.
Right.
I feel like I am hanging off the seat belt, but the vehicle is nice and steady, very stable,
Keep moving.
and
Slowly.
we have now completed this side articulation test with this Tata Harrier.EV. The next obstacle is a rock bed, and for that we are going to go to rock crawl mode and have a look at this transparent chassis when we are moving over this rock bed. No throttle input, the vehicle is crawling by itself.
Keep going a little straight so that you can like move that.
Nice and easy, and whenever it's moving over these rocks, I don't feel anything hitting or hurting the battery pack. So that also is going to give you good confidence that this vehicle can be driven over such a road without the battery being hurt or damaged. So the next obstacle is an incline and decline. You can notice this steep ramp in front of us. For this, we are going to activate boost mode now, and then let's start rolling.
Gas. More. Keep going. Don't release. Keep going. Stop.
So as you noticed, we have come up this steep incline. It is quite thrilling, even though it is not for too long, but then it is quite a height that I have achieved right now with this Tata Harrier.EV, and with absolute ease. Even though I did kill the throttle in between, I got on the gas again without any slip of the wheel. I could climb this incline patch. So that helps you understand how good the traction is delivered on all four wheels, so that the vehicle did not roll backwards on this incline patch. So going downhill, what we are going to do is activate off-road assist. It will be highlighted in green when it is activated, and you will also have this telltale sign over here on the speedometer cluster, which will tell you that it is successfully activated. We are now in mud and ruts mode, and now we are going to start to roll ahead, but we are going to keep tapping the brakes gently because we are driving on road tires, and there is a lot of mud and muck on the tires right now. So we have to ensure that the vehicle rolls slowly.
Don't lock the wheels. Don't lock the brakes. Keep looking. Steering straight. I'll tell you when to turn. Keep going. Start turning. You have to take right. Careful with the tree and the black masking wood.
So as you noticed, it was quite steep coming down. It feels quite dramatic, but because of that off-road assist, the vehicle stays in your control. It acts as hill descent control too, and then because of all four disc brakes, you can grab onto the brakes and hold on to your position and slow down the vehicle if at all it is starting to roll faster and more freely. So another side incline test, but this time we are on a metal sheet and not on mud and sand. So let us try it out. We are continuing in mud and ruts mode.
Keep going. Next. Slow. Keep moving.
Just have a look at this angle right now.
To the right. Keep going.
Easy going. Whenever you get scared, just slow down, tap the brakes, and then let the vehicle conquer that obstacle gently. Don't hit your batteries. Don't go wild with an EV when you're going off-road. The battery is hanging under the floor of this Tata Harrier EV. So the final obstacle is a seesaw, a smaller one compared to what you have seen on the short format content pieces. We are not going to stop. We are continuing to free roll on this seesaw patch. So let's go.
Steering straight. Keep it slow. To the right, not to the left.
So as you noticed, it's quite a fast drop when you reach the other end of the seesaw, and that's about it in terms of our small, short off-road experience with this Tata Harrier EV. If you are buying an SUV with prices starting from rupees 28.99 lakh ex showroom, so the vehicle is going to cost you upwards of 30 lakh rupees on road, are you going to go off-roading with an EV? Are you brave enough? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.